Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain TipRanks app review to see with what you're using. So to get started with a quick in-depth review about TipRanks. So to get started, TipRanks is a financial research app that rank Wall Street analysts, bloggers, insider with offering a stock smart score to help guide your investment. Available on both mobile and web, it includes a real-time quote, analyst rating, insider trading activities, and easy-to-read chart, and all wrapped in a clean interface. Many users praise its ability to simplify complex data and consider it a revolution in decision making. It's not perfect. The free version is quite limited, pushing you towards the paid tier between $30 to $50 per month, and some users find those costs steepy. Other report occasional apps freeze and confusing billing option, plus data delays or overwhelming noise if filters aren't set carefully. So, while TipRanks is a powerful tool for serious data-driven investors, casual users should try the free tiers first and be aware of the potential usability bumps on the platform. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this mobile app. And that's it.